morning, mother, father, brother, sister. Have you brushed your mini Teflon? So po, ang ating mini Teflon, yan, binrush na po natin siya na po. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo po how easy it is to make our breakfast. Especially sa mga mommies na busy. Ayan, we added the eggs. Para hindi po siya mag-stick. So, I used the non-sticky, non-fry pan na Teflon. Add na po natin yung favorite natin sausage, so you can add your favorite hot dogs. Anything that you want. You know, necessarily na kailangan palagi hot dog, you can add your luncheon meat. But me, always kung breakfast is ham, bacon, and eggs. Nilagay na po natin yung bacon na hirap po ako siyang i-flip. Yan. Ito talaga. Yan natin siya. Ayan. Lagay na po natin siya. Lagyan po natin siya. You can add many as you want. Ay, gano'n po karami. Hindi po siya kinakailangan kung ipirin o kung gusto niyo pong damihan niyo po kung kinakailangan niyo pong gawin dalawa po yung egg sa bawat isang non-sticky fry pan. You can do it. You can even scramble the egg. Yan na po. And after that, I will add the kosher or we call it salt and pepper. Depende na po sa inyo. You can add your soy sauce or seasoning, whatever you want. Now, lagyan na po natin siya ng water. Mga friendly. Make it sure na konti lang po ang ating water na i-add because we were just going to steam it. Yes, steam it. We're going to steam it so hindi po kinakailangan marami ang water. Hello! Pan lang po natin. And after natin i-light ang stove, kailangan na po natin siyang i-timer. Yan. 5 minutes po. For me, I prepare my breakfast for only 5 minutes because we are busy. Lagi po tayo nagkakabol. Ayan, pakita ko lang po sa inyo ang bread or pan na ginagamit namin. Favorite yan. Yung itim-itim na yan, hindi po yan dumi. That's a black sesame seed. And I just take it up. Nakikita po natin how beautiful it was. Ayan na po. Check it out. How beautiful it is. And it's almost done. So, dahil gusto ko pa rin po siyang maluto ng konti, I will add more a little water just to stain it again. And guys, take it note. Pinatay ko na po yung stove. Look how beautiful it is. Ganyan po. I love the egg half cooked, watery. I don't overdone the eggs here, but because this is Japan, it is safe. But for you guys out there na ang eggs is hindi ganun safe, make it sure that you will make it well done or cook your eggs done. Sa akin, yan po yung gusto ko and I just mix it. So, in my bread, ganyan po siya. That's how I eat my breakfast.